Alright, Master Designers. You remember when I drew Night Ninja? Oh yeah, I also mentioned another thing. This guy also has his own fleet of squadrons. Well, he has the power to summon up an army of foot soldiers. Ones that look exactly just like him. And for some reason, he calls them ninjalinos. But I prefer to call them foot soldiers. That would have been a good name for them. Much like Night Ninja, they also possess the ability to launch ooze. He calls them Sticky Splat. Now we draw this thing on his head. Alright, here's the stars. It's like the stars that he has on his body. They're just like the ones that Alien X has. There we go. Here are the stars. And finished. That's what a ninjalino looks like. I prefer to call them foot soldiers. It would be better if Night Ninja would call them foot soldiers rather than ninjalinos. That'd be a better term for them, for this guy. If you want to find out more on how to draw Night Ninja and his foot soldiers, then leave a comment below on which one of them you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.